Hi everyone, welcome to YouTube channel. So in this video, we show you how to live back this type of power bank. So what exactly what I want to is this battery. If you watch my previous short video, I exactly show what type of this because this battery is fully swollen and this battery is no more working. So why this is happening and why this is so expensive to change one. So this battery, this is a very chip size and maximum 3 inches, and this batteries have a high capacity and a larger size. So why is not this batteries come to life? So the reasons why I'm not using this number, because if you check it to what is output, that is no more applicable, because the voltage output is just 0 voltage. So why this is happening? Because the battery of this one is fully swollen, and the battery is one. This is fully drained, and this is a faulty batteries. Actually, this is a lithium battery, and this two batteries become 37 volt. But this battery will be much important and much beneficial is using this one. So this is like new power bank, and here is it. The voltage of this power bank also low, but is okay now, and we don't need to make any other type of other power bank, because this is the best option to reduce old battery cells, and I have one of them and use this. So you don't need to this type of extra heavy battery, because this become more expensive and a more power size. And if you compare the size of this one, the whole battery size is maximum to equal to this one. So that's why I think the best option to hijack your power bank to purchase new battery cell, have this type of battery cell, LGV4. Yes, this model of lithium ion battery is much cheaper than this one, and this have no use, because I don't share any trick like other video just said to become a new battery, because this battery, actual reality, this battery is no longer working. So that's why I use this cell, and you can use this battery with your project. So this is okay, and don't worry if you're having a budget problem. If you have a budget program to use this one, so uh, let me move this side one. Okay, let's move this one and this one too. So this is Windows C's connections, and yes, C's connection and no longer working. So why I'm doing this one, and just want to across off one. So this is it. So this is the actual capacity of battery, 10,000 mAh and 10,000 mAh. So that's why this battery is too expensive, but this battery only 2002 ampere, so this means 4000 ampere. So that's it. so don't need to use one, and that's it. And this is no more working now. So this is Chinese product, and as you see, the whole electronic things basically come from China, so that's why there's Chinese products. So you think what the meaning? So I think this is the best choosing option to life hack with this one. I hope you like this video. If you have any problem, feel free to comment in the comment section. So in the next video, we'll see you another video with another topic. So goodbye. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe.